Recording in
Rain, Rain, Go Away. The author is Melissa Everett, illustrator Carrie Window. Rain, Rain, Go Away. So here they're out. There's 4 children here and one's doing the hula hoop and one is jump roping, and there's a ball here and a little baseball and a bat here. And this one looks kind of sad, so we'll see what happens. Okay, come again some other day. So they don't look very happy because their plans are not going to happen. They have to go back home or inside. So now they're inside their home and they're saying, we want to go outside and play. So they're just looking outside, looking really sad. Come again some other day. So now they're kind of singing it, making it kind of fun. Sun, sun, come and shine. Now they're back outside and there's a big sun on the right upper corner. And here they're throwing a frisbee and one's doing a jump rope. And one here is playing with the dog. She's got a bone for him. So now they're pretty happy. While I play with friends of mine. So now they're all laying down on the grass. And they look like they're having fun. Laughing and dancing in Congo, a Congo line. So there they are. Each one is putting their hands on the person in front of them, except for the girl that's leading this here. Sun, sun, come and shine. And here they're still outside having fun, and it looks like down here they're playing hopscotch. And the boys here are throwing a baseball. And the sun is way over in the left-hand upper corner. Kind of. Rain, rain, you can stay. We'll keep playing anyway. So now the kids have, one has an umbrella here and a raincoat. She's got a raincoat and a hat. And he's got a raincoat, nothing on his head because he don't care. And then the little girl here has got a rain jacket on, and then also an umbrella, and then a hat. So they're trying to make the best of it outside. Life's still great when the sky is gray. Rain, rain, you can stay. And now here they all each have an umbrella. There's 4 umbrellas here. And